how to cancel AirAsia flight and get refund. So if you want to cancel AirAsia flight and get refund, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search and search for AirAsia and go for the first search and it will take you to the website. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, now here on the bottom right, you may have the live chat option. But if you don't have the live chat option, then what you need to do is you just need to go for search again and then search for AirAsia chat. And here go for welcome to live chat. And once you're here on the bottom right side, you will have chat. So click on the chat and here go for AirAsia flights. And once you enter travel, here you will have AirAsia flights option. Click on AirAsia flights. Wait for your helping assistant to check if you have any upcoming flights. As you can see that they are unable to find any upcoming AirAsia flights linked to my account because I have not booked anything. But if you have booked, then you will have your flights right here. So what you can do is simply enter cancel. And once you enter cancel and hit the enter, your flight will be cancelled or your flight order will be cancelled. And once you've cancelled, you need to simply enter flight cancellation request. So here it says that please be advised that once your booking is confirmed, cancellation or refund is not allowed unless we cancel or reschedule your flight more than 3 hours from the original schedule. But however, you can request for an airport tax refund within 6 months if you do not travel on the booked flight. So you can simply choose any refund like Indonesia domestic refund, Korean refund, airport tax refund, or my flight was cancelled by AirAsia, anything or any option that you are facing right now. And the bot will help you with your problem. So that's how you can cancel AirAsia flight and get the refund. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.